Let's do a quick grocery haul. So I finally made my way to Market Street and got some things. I didn't get the normal things that I usually get there, but I'll just go ahead and show you what I did get this time. This is the strawberry limeade. I've never tried this before, so I only got one just in case I didn't like it, but I think the bottle is really cute. I love the Texas embossing there in the glass. It's really awesome. Labels adorable, even the cat. So I'm gonna give that a try. And then I picked up some Panera items. I picked up the mac and cheese and then the broccoli cheddar soup. Those are my two favorite things at Panera. So I'm gonna see how well or how good these taste, you know, just from home and not through the actual like store. And then I got a different broccoli cheese soup. This is just the kind that's packaged by Market Street. So I just wanted to try this one as well, just to kind of compare and see if this is something like I'll like to pick up on a regular basis. I picked up my turkey. I already have cheese and bread, so I didn't need to pick that up. I got some mangoes, and then I got my fruit parfaits. This has strawberry, blueberries, and then the granola. I'm starving right now, so I'm probably gonna have one of these or a muffin, and then I got muffins, orange or cranberry orange, and then these are lemon blueberry. You're staring at that vent because it is absolutely disgusting and it's got to get cleaned. So let's do it. I got to get a ladder because it's pretty tall. To me, it's pretty up there. And it's all clean. It's pretty good. I can't believe how dirty that thing was. I also cleaned the inside of there. The amount of dust that was on the wires of the light bulb and everything, crazy. So I dusted that, and then the crown molding as well. Got the right air filter in the mail, so let's try this a third time. Oh my god, I came all the way up here without the filter. Like, what the hell? One more time, folks. Okay. All right, we're gonna put in the new one. She fits. Finally done. Does anybody else's dog do this? It's time to go to bed. She's already been outside. She was outside for like 40 minutes, and then it was time to go to bed. We come in the room, she gets in her bed, and then she gets up and goes to the door. That tells me that she wants to go outside again, so I'm thinking, okay, she's gotta go. This is what she's doing. Just chilling at midnight. Pitch black outside. Just chilling. Not a care in the world. Oh. Okay. You saw it here first, folks. Uh-huh. Interesting. Look at her, contemplating. Oh, brother. She's too much for me. That's it, folks. You ready now? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You don't think you're too much? You don't think you're too much? Come on. Oh, brother. Are you done bathing in the moonlight? Get in your bed.